Piet Botha was one of the legends of the South African rock scene. He started the legendary band Jackhammer. And tonight, some of the remaining members of the band have decided to do a tribute to Piet here at Cardosa in Midrand. And he bombed it. Good. Okay, this is how this is gonna go.
Yeah, looks like my guitar fell down as well. Looks like my guitar.
But it's the wrong microphone on there. But
Well, the sun is out, so I guess the ice cream's falling. We're just here to clap the tunes. Yeah, this Bean Bollers.
I'm Jonathan Martin.
I'm Paul. Anthonie. Yeah, I guess Jackhammer's been going for 50 years, but we've been there for 30 years of the 50 years. And we're kind of the grunt and the core of the tours that was had, and people that got hired and fired. I think I got fired 50 times and hired 60 times, and been resigned 70 times and retracted his resignation 80 times. The Duke's the only one that's never been fired. So.
I think Duke, you left the band for like an hour and then you regretted it and you came back immediately. That was it.
I think he just got married or something.
About a year.
When she left you and why she done it, you still don't know. Now do you? When the engineer keeps saying you better get back, the train wants to roll.
We were big on festivals, but we enjoyed the tours more. That was more intimate.
Being on the roads, or everybody in one Kombi, the breakdowns and then the good times, the bad times, we're all stuck together, and that's the exciting part of it. 35 gigs in 30 days kind of thing,
one or two of those yachts.
Tertius can give us one of those.
We played Nelspruit and Moonshine had chocolate, and he put chocolate. Yeah, Moonshine's a dude, a roadie, a bra, and he put chocolate in Piet's pipe. And Piet woke up 5 o'clock in the morning, and he lit his pipe because Moonshine thought it was, but it wasn't. It was melted chocolate from. We were just all near Makar, I guess. And he put that chocolate in Piet's pipe, and Piet lit his pipe, and he said, "Wat sit vergeet in my pipe?" And I guess that was probably one of the funniest moments in 5:30 a.m. Nelspruit, Blue Moon. Yeah.
To be able to play the songs again in their entirety, going through the albums. Piet's legacy is his songs.
If there was something that Piet had to say that you can remember that just says that for you.
This is not a holiday farm.
Light and shade, boys.
Come on, get it to the middle, man.
Thank you very much. Take care, man. Drive safe, take it easy. Mr. Midnight.